automatically grades multiple choice questions for both administered and assigned assessments. Now, for administered assessments, which are the paper-based assessments, there may be some instances where the students' writing or selections are not clear, in which case you will need to go ahead and resolve those. So this video is going to show you how to do that. So first of all, you want to come into the assessment and then select to grade the assessment. You'll see the multiple choice pages here, and you'll see how many unknown responses there are. You'll select this, and this is going to drop you on the first booklet with an unknown response. So in this case, you can see that CrowdMark has been able to automatically grade the first 4 questions here. However, the last question, it's not clear what the student selected, and so we'll need to resolve this. There are 2 ways that you can do this. You can either select clone and edit evaluation. What this will do is keep the current selections, and then you can confirm just that last choice for number 5. Otherwise, you can add an evaluation, and that will give you a completely clear evaluation, and you will go through and select for each of those questions. So let's clone and edit this first one, and then the second one we will look at creating a new evaluation. So you can see here that the answers are already selected for the first 4, and we'll just need to select what the student selected or intended to select for 5. So you can select D here, and you'll see that that's automatically calculating the score on the right hand side. What you'll also see is that this has created a second evaluation, which is the evaluation that I just made. Once you're finished reviewing, you select Next Ungraded Multiple Choice Page. And this one does not have any student responses on it, so we'll try and find a booklet that does have unknown responses. So say the student did have some of these selected, or maybe they didn't select any of these and you want to grade this. You can select Add an Evaluation. That's going to give you a fresh evaluation, and you would go through and select what the student selected. So if they did not make any selections here, you can actually select the X at the end of the row to show that they didn't make any selections. And that's how you would resolve the multiple choice pages here. Make sure that you set yourself as the primary evaluation because students will only see one evaluation.